Welcome to today's video, y'all. So today we are working underneath my kitchen sink. We are continuing on with this kitchen declutter, deep clean, and organize series. After today's video, I think I only have 2 more videos to go. One of them we are working on cleaning out and decluttering the kitchen drawers. And then another one is my hutch area and the little cabinet in front of my bay window here in my kitchen. And then we are going to get it all finished up with cleaning, and I'll show you a final look on that 8th video, I think it is. So this one's number 6, and then I think it'll be the 8th video that we will finally be finished with this kitchen. It is going to feel so good. I can't wait to y'all to see an overall look after everything is completely finished. But again, today we are working underneath this kitchen sink. This is going to just be a relaxing clean with me because behind the scenes I have my radio blaring and I can't really let y'all listen to that because I'll get copyrighted, and I also still have family in and out swimming in the pool. As y'all know, I broke this day up here that I'm working on this stuff up into several videos, and this is still the day that everybody's at my house and in the pool. So let's just have a little relaxing clean with me. I do have to end up changing this shelf paper underneath here because it was so gross. Something must have leaked. We had a little water leak about 6 months ago. Of course, we got it good and dry, but you know, everything is just kind of nasty down here after that. So anyway, let's get this cleaned and organized under here. And like I said, we only have a couple of more videos in this kitchen series, and then we will be moving into my used to be our old homeschool room. It's now called my office, but I do a complete makeover in there, y'all. I have done painted in there and everything, so I cannot wait for y'all to see all of that as well. So as soon as we're finished here in the kitchen, we will be moving into the rest of my house to get it cleaned, decluttered, and organized as well. So anyway, I'm going to quit talking, quit rambling here, and just let y'all enjoy some peaceful music to me cleaning underneath this kitchen sink. So hopefully it gets you motivated to clean underneath your sink as well. Y'all, I am struggling to get this up. Like this stuff right here, we had a water leak down here, and that's just a bunch of dirt and stuff. So I definitely have to replace this. I did like having this down here because it's so easy to wipe off. So anyway, unfortunately, I'm pulling all of this up and putting new down here, but this is tough stuff. Oh, hi, Elizabeth. So I'm now giving you an overview of everything that I have decluttered from my kitchen over the last 2 or 3 videos that I've had of me decluttering my kitchen. This is all the stuff that I'm going to let my girls go through, and my sister, and whatever they don't want, it's getting donated. I do know Kara wants those dishes, so those are already spoken for. And I would really like to kind of count, just to motivate even myself in the future, how many items I actually decluttered. Because I went into this declutter, yes, that's Cinder down there trying to hide under something. I went into this declutter thinking, I pretty much use everything that I have. I think I'm not really going to get rid of much, that I just really don't think I need to do it. Maybe I just need to get down there and kind of wipe out the edges. And that is totally not the case. I needed to do this declutter. I needed to make my cabinets feel free and open and breathable, just to get my anxiety and my mind clear and ready for all of the holiday cooking and baking. And it's just so much easier to clean when your space is decluttered and organized. I still have to hang up a couple of command hooks and get a couple more organization things in place. And then I am going to take a final clip of all of my cabinets, upper and lower, completely decluttered, cleaned and organized, because this is a process. I've done this over a series of several days, and it is now 3:20. I started these lower cabinets on the right side of my house at 10 o'clock this morning, and I just kept getting interrupted. Not that I mind, but I'm just telling you, you just got to keep pushing forward and get the thing done. Let me turn you around where you can see me and you're not talking to all my decluttered stuff. However, I am very proud. Look at that pile. But anyway, what was I even saying? I don't even remember what I was saying. Oh, I think what took me even longer is there was a couple of those cabinets that you saw that I had to replace the shelf paper. That one underneath my kitchen sink was horrible. Y'all saw that. I mean, nothing underneath a kitchen sink is pretty anyway. This house is pretty old, so it even looks twice as rough in mine. But just putting that little contact paper down made a world of difference. And so my advice is to, if you plan on decluttering and cleaning your cabinets or your drawers, be prepared and have some shelf liner paper, because you never know what you might need. And I haven't even decluttered my drawers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers in here to declutter. We will be getting to that pretty soon, but I cannot work on this anymore this weekend. I have a trip we're going to out of town, and I need to get all this stuff out of my living room. And since Kara is here today, her and all the kids are out in the pool, I'm gonna let her go through and get what she wants, and then let Kelsey go through it, and then my sister. So I'll be showing a declutter of my drawers pretty soon, but I doubt that there's very much in there. Again, here I go. I doubt there's very much that I need to declutter in there. That's exactly what I said about this, so we'll see what happens there. But anyway, thank y'all so much for hanging out with me in the kitchen, doing all of this decluttering and organizing. So once we get the drawers decluttered and cleaned out and organized, I will do a whole, like, one overview of all the cabinets, all the lower cabinets, and all of the drawers and everything kind of decluttered that way. So if before this video goes up, if I already have some of these things in place, like the command strip things, command hooks, I should say, in place, and different things like that. If I have pretty much all of that already organized and in place before this video gets published, and I can just insert a clip, I'll do that here in just a minute. But if not, we'll do a final look of everything after I declutter all of the drawers. I have tried to kind of show y'all as I went along, kind of like what it looks like before, during, and then little shots after. But I think it would be fun to do like an overall look of everything. My lighting keeps changing. I think it would be fun to do an overall look of everything once it's, you know, completely decluttered from top to bottom. I'm even about to work on this cabinet over here and all of that. So we'll just see what I do. I'm just kind of winging it over here. I don't know what we'll do, but you do kind of see what it looks like after, at least. I'm not just completely leaving you hanging. I know it would be fun to kind of see like these command hooks that I'm putting in place and all that different stuff to give you some ideas. Let me show you the pile of things that were in the cabinets and they just need to go to a different home. So this stuff right here is all things that I just need to relocate and put in a different place that was in the lower cabinets. So I'll be getting these outside shortly in the large cabinet that I have out there. And then all of this other little stuff here is going to just be put where it needs to go as well. I'm about to change the filter and stuff here on my vacuum cleaner, so I didn't even put that up yet. Okay, y'all, another part of my kitchen is decluttered, deep cleaned, and organized. Y'all stick with me here. We are almost finished. We will see you here on Tuesday with another video. We will be deep cleaning, decluttering, relining my kitchen drawers. So I hope to see you back here then. In the meantime, we hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. We love y'all, and I'll see you Tuesday with a brand new video.